Hello, in this video we're going to go through some more exam questions to help you get the best grade possible, and stay tuned to the end to find the answer to this one. So in the first question we have a hexagon and we're told that angle BAF, angle ABC, angle AFB and angle BCD are all the same. We're also told that angle DEF and CDE are equal to 130 degrees each. And we're asked to calculate the size of angle BAF, so we have to calculate the value for x. Well, we know that in a hexagon we can draw 4 triangles, so the sum of all of the interior angles is going to add up to 4 times 180, which is 720 degrees. So we know that 130 plus 130 plus 4 times x is equal to 720. Therefore, 4x is 720. Take away 260, which is 460, and x is 460 divided by 4, which is 115 degrees. Next we have a pentagon, and we know that we can make 3 triangles inside a pentagon, so the sum of the interior angles is 3 times 180, 540 degrees. We know 3 of the angles already, as 2 are written in, and we also have a right angle, which is 90 degrees. We're also told that angle BCD is twice the size of angle ABC. So if we call angle ABC x, we know that angle BCD is 2x. Therefore, if we add 115 and 125 and x and 2x and 90 together, we get 540. And with a bit of algebra, we have 3x is equal to 210. Therefore, to find out x, we divide 210 by 3, which gives us 70. But the question asks us to work out angle BCD, and that's 2x, so we know that that's equal to 140 degrees. Just a quick mention here that if you are getting value out of doing these questions and you could hit that like button, that would really help me out. Thanks. So in this question, we're asked how many sides does a polygon P have? Well, by now you're probably well aware that we're going to have to work out the external angle, because if we want to know how many sides a polygon has, we divide 360 by the size of the external angle, and that gives us the number of sides. And to work out the external angle, we're going to need the internal angle, because the external and the internal angle add up to 180. So we want to focus our attention on where these 3 shapes meet, the triangle, the octagon and the polygon P. And we know that the triangle is regular, therefore every angle is going to be 60 degrees because they all are equal and they all have to add up to 180. We're also told that the octagon is a regular octagon. We can draw 6 triangles in an octagon, so the internal angles add up to 6 times 180, which is 1080 degrees. It's regular, so every angle's the same, 1080 divided by 8. So we know the angle of the octagon is 135 degrees. We also know there are 360 degrees in a circle, so where they meet, we have 360 is equal to 60 degrees plus 135 degrees plus x. If we rearrange this, we know that x is equal to 165 degrees. So if the internal angle of the polygon is 165 degrees, the external angle is 180 minus 165 degrees, which equals 15 degrees. Therefore, the number of sides is 360 divided by 15, which is equal to 24 sides. And here we have a hexagon, and we're told it has one line of symmetry. We're told that FA equals BC, EF equals CD, and that the angle ABC is equal to 117 degrees. We're also told that angle BCD is twice the angle of CDE. So let's call angle CDE x, therefore angle BCD is going to be 2x. Now we're told that there's one line of symmetry which has to be down the centre here, therefore we also know that angle BAF is 117 degrees, AFE is 2x and FED is x. Now this is a hexagon, we know we can draw 4 triangles inside a hexagon, so the internal angles are going to add up to 4 times 180, which is 720 degrees. So 720 has to be equal to 117 plus 117 plus 2x plus 2x plus x plus x. So 720 is equal to 234 plus 6x, and 6x is equal to 486. So to get x, we divide that by 6, which gives us 81. However, AFE is 2x, so we multiply by 2 to get AFE, which is 162 degrees. I'm going to stop the video there. Well done if you got them all right. I'm going to try and find the hardest questions I can on this subject for the next video, so I hope to see you in that one to try and get you the best grade possible. I'll add the link at the end, and meanwhile, if you could hit like if you're finding these videos useful, and subscribe so I can continue making videos like these. And as always, thanks for watching.